In this video I'm going to show you how to install a 4-prongs power cord in an electric LG dryer. If the wall outlet in your house to connect the dryer has 4 holes like this one, you will need to put a 4-prongs power cord in your LG dryer, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. The first thing you need to do to install the cord on the dryer is to remove this plate. The next thing you need to do is to remove this cable holding clamp. Next thing you need to do is to remove this screw that is holding the white wire to the cabinet. Just let the white wire hang in here for now. The next thing you need to do is to remove these screws. These 3 screws. Now be careful, make sure you don't drop them inside of the dryer, or you're going to have to take the dryer apart. As you can see, this terminal has a red wire, this terminal has a white wire, and this terminal has a black wire. So that is the way that you need to put the colors. You're going to put white to white, black to black, and red to red. You're going to take the power cord and you're going to stick it through this hole. Connect the red wire to this terminal with the red wire. Connect the black wire to the terminal with the black wire. Okay? Now you're going to connect this white wire with this one, these 2 together. Now you need to make sure that they're tight. You're going to have the red to the red, the 2 white to the white, and the black to the black. Then you're going to take this green one. This green one is the ground. This is the ground wire now. So you need to pull it out, and you're going to put it here. Make sure that I reach there. Now you need to install the cord holding clamp. This could be a little tricky, so you need to find the best way to do it. One of the ways that I found to do it is with a vice grip. You hold it in like that. And you just put the two screws far enough. If you have to, you can screw it by hand. Now you could just push the cord in. Once you got the cord in, now you can tighten it. That could be a little tricky, but you know, find a way how to do it the easier way that is for you. And I'll show you the way I do it. Double check your work. Make sure that the screws are tight. Make sure that you got red to red, the two white to white, black to black, and green to the cabinet. If you got it like that, then you did a good job. Install the terminal block cover plate. That was a way to install a 4-prongs power cord in an LG dryer. Now all you have to do is plug in the dryer. Now all you have to do is to try the dryer to see if it works. If you did it the way I showed you, the dryer should be working okay. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.